Welcome to Python Foundations. In this video, we will go through everything word by word. Python is a high-level programming language. It is closer to human language than machine language. It uses interpreter to run. Next, let's talk about variables. A variable is a name that stores a value. Here x is a variable name and is stored as value 10. Data types tell Python what kind of value something is. The three most common beginner types are integers, floats, and strings. Next is operators. They are symbols that perform actions on values, like addition as plus, same in Python. Functions are reusable blocks of code that perform a specific task. Think of a function as a small machine. You give it inputs, it processes them, and it returns an output. Here, age is the input we enter. Age equals input enter age, and age equals end of age. Print is used to show information on the screen. If age is greater than or equal to 18, print adult, else print minor. If introduce is a condition. Type conversion or casting means turning one data type into another. Errors are two main types. A syntax error occurs when the structure of your code breaks the rules of Python. For example, a missing parenthesis or a colon. The interpreter stops immediately when it sees a syntax error. Comments are lines of text in your code that Python ignores. We use #sign for comments. Finally, let's put everything together. Ask the user for their age using input. Convert the input to an integer using int. Then check the condition. If age is greater than or equal to 18, print you are an adult. Else print you are a minor.